everyone, it is Eden and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today we are going to be doing a very exciting video. It is going to be my room tour. I love room tours so much. I try to make my room pretty aesthetically pleasing, and I think for the most part pretty successful. One thing I do want to point out is that in my case my room is never complete. I always am changing things up. Yeah, so just keep in mind my room is probably gonna go through a bajillion more changes, but lots of people on my Instagram requested it and were DMing me like, yo, your room is pretty cute, what does the rest of it look like? So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. Another PSA is that my room is not always this clean. I did do some tidying up for this video, and I just don't want you guys to think that my room is like perfect or always looking this nice, because it is not, and I want to make that very, very clear. I will try my best to remember where everything is from. Obviously, like, my bed is a vintage bed, and I actually got it from my great grandma, and so I probably won't be able to link that down below because I have no idea when she got this bed, probably like 1912 or something like that. You guys could probably find similar ones to my bed though somewhere on the interweb or at rummage sales or thrift stores, etc, etc. So I'll try my best to link everything down below if I can, but there's a good chance I won't be able to. Also, check out my other social medias. I'm pretty active on all of them. They should be around the screen right now, and also they're always down below. And without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. Woo! Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. Okay everyone, so first things first, I'm going to give you guys an overview of the entire room just so you guys can get a general feel for it. Then I'll start going kind of section by section. I mainly have like 4 sections to my room, and so I'll show you guys those. First up, we have a desk kind of section here. Then we have my closet, then we have the window, then we have like my music section. I don't know if you guys know this, but I play a lot of instruments, and so they kind of all are around there. Then we have like my bed section, and then my nightstand, and then I have my TV book area section. So yeah, that's the general feel to my room. Okay, so this is the door section. Right next to the door I have this little like pouchy thing that I got from the Target dollar spot. I got lots of these. Then above my door I have this little sign that says, just give me the coffee and no one gets hurt. My brother got me that, I think, when I was in 5th grade when he went to San Francisco. Then on the actual door I have this little ornament from Target Boutique. And then of course we have my light switch. I have this one for my fan that's just a little remote thing. I like this better so I can control everything from down here and not have to worry about switches and drawstrings, because I'm not super short, but it's a little bit of a stretch for me to get it. Moving on from my door, I have my desk right in front of my door. So the actual desk is from IKEA. I think it's the Mickey desk. Yeah, I don't know. It works great. I love the color. I like that it's not super duper wide, and so it gives me more walking space, especially with my rug being there. Chair is also from IKEA, and I don't know what it's called, but it's from IKEA. Lots of people have it. It's just like a little dome thing. It's really dirty right now because I've had this for 3 or 4 years, but it works great. It's actually really comfy. Then above the desks I have these little floating shelves that I decorated, and then a calendar. So I'm just gonna start going through everything. I have this little light from Target. It's a pretty basic light. That's literally what I wanted. Then I have lots of little crystals things because I'm kind of like a hipster. Coasters, I believe, I have all throughout my room, and I believe they're all from Target. And I have this here because I am an online student, so I work here a lot, and then I have drinks and coffee and good stuff like that. Then I have this candle I got for Christmas. It's a Christmas candle. Little bell is actually my great grandma's, and I had it in my room for one of my knee surgery if I needed some help. Had it next to my nightstand, I could just bring it. Now, moving this way, I have a bunch of mason jars that are filled with pens. I'm not gonna go into that. I mean, they're pretty generic pens, except these guys, which are highlighters. are actually so pretty. I got them off of Amazon. I think they're zebra midliners, I believe, but they're super duper cute. And then I have my Huawei MateBook. Awesome laptop, highly recommend that. Then I have my bullet journal, little thingy-mabobber. It's lovely. Then I have this candle. I believe it's from Target. My sister also got me that. An iHome here so I can prop my phone up, charge it while I'm working here. I have this plant I got from, I think it's a liquidator? I don't know. But it's a Target one, or I think it's actually from a garden center. I don't remember, but I got that there. Super duper cheap. Then I have my bamboo here, but his name's Felix. He's super duper cute. Moving upwards, I just have a favorite thing in the world. It's a chalkboard, and I draw this calendar. This is usually how I keep track of my big calendar stuff, and then I enter it into my phone as well. Then down here I have a fortune. Then I'm going through confirmation right now, and I just have my confirmation verse, and I think it's actually a really cute one, and it just says, "You were once darkness, but now you're light in the Lord. Live as children of light." I think that is so cute, and it just keeps reminding us to be positive and all that good stuff. Moving upwards, I just have these two dried flowers that are hung up with washi tape. I think these things are so adorable, and I love dried flowers. You'll kind of notice that throughout my whole entire room. Then up here I have this gold frame. It says "Believe in Yourself." I believe the frame is from Target, and I just made that because I do some graphic design work, so I just made that. Then I have a finger piano, I believe that's what it's called. It's actually from Africa. I think that is so cool. And then I have a fake little plant there, and then I play viola, and so this little statue is so cute. It's gold. It kind of goes with my gold accents in here. And here I have another candle. I think it's from Target. Another one of those fake flowers from the liquidators. Some more little crystally things, a Himalayan salt lamp, and then I have this picture frame that it used to be blue, but because I have everything kind of white and minimal right now, I painted it white. And then in here, it's always do your best. What you plant now is what you harvest later. I think that's such a cute quote. Okay, moving this way from the desk, I have my closet door. It's a collage. You'll notice on all of my doors I have little hooks to hang things up. I think they're really cute to display like wreaths and switch things out as I change up my room. So this thing I actually think I made in 3rd or 4th grade, but they're super cute, vintagey, and I just like displaying them because I found them, and why not? Moving this way, I just have my camera charger there, but I have my window, and I think this is such a lovely window. This is my view. I get to look at pretty trees. In my windowsill, wow, it just got really sunny there. So I just have this little plant that's fake, and then this is something off my pothos plant. I actually have to refill it, and I just have it in this old candle that I cleared out. Then right here I have my letterbox, something like that, and I just have it saying aesthetic because I love that word. This little tissue box cover thing that my friend Natalie gave me. I have no idea where she got it. I just have this French like home magazine. This box, you'll notice I have lots of boxes throughout my room. They really just hide all the junk I don't know where to put, and so that's what this is doing, so I'm not gonna open it up. Yeah. Okay, so moving on from my window section, down here is where it starts my instrument kind of music section. This is my viola. His name is Victor. We've been together for I think over a year now, and Victor and I are real close. We love each other. It's great. He's really pretty too. I have my record wall. You guys probably saw this in my background. This is where I film most of my videos, and I just have 2 Saturday Night Fever records. Those are the yellow ones, and then I have the Michael Jackson Thriller record. I have some more dried flowers. This one my grandma sent me in a get well after my surgery, and it just kind of has some good vibes there. And then probably my favorite part of the room is this plant. Her name is Elfie, and it just kind of fits her. Elfie is really cute. She's thriving. She's living her best life, and to have her in the Bohemian macrame plant holder, you guys are wondering, she is a pothos plant. Down here I just have the record covers for the records on my. I just have my electric guitar, It needs to be restrung, and I need to tune it. But yeah, I have my electric guitar, and then I just have my ukulele. I play both of those. Like I said, I play lots of instruments, and so yeah. Okay, and then the bed section. This bed, like I said in the intro, is my great-great-grandma's. I think it's from the early 1900s. Well, I think that is the coolest thing to have pieces of furniture that have stories behind it and that are kind of in your family bloodline. I just have these industrial looking lights hung on top of my bed. They just add a little bit more warmth or invitingness into the bedroom. The actual bedding itself has this really cool minimal pattern. The actual bedding, it's a Tommy Hilfiger. I'm pretty sure it's from Marshall. And this blanket I know we got from TJ Maxx. I just have two different blankets. I have this really fuzzy, fluffy one that is nice in the winter. One my aunt made me as pillows go. This one is from Target, which I got from At Home. It's kind of like a home goods store. I'm pretty sure it's all over the country, but it's an At Home. Yeah, and got on clearance from Target a couple years ago. I have this body pillow that goes all the way across, super nice. Both the body pillow insert and the body pillow cover from Target. Moving on from the actual bed, I have this little stool for my knee surgery because my bed is super high because I have the vintage bed, and vintage beds were always super high. And this actual nightstand is from IKEA. A lot of people have this. I'm sure you guys could just find it on the... I have the same coaster from Target, my glasses. I just have this little like clip, I forget what they're called, but so my cords don't fall down, and I just have a bunch of cords back there. Okay, and then also I forgot to mention in the beginning that this rug is from Target. It's just a gray shag rug. I love this rug. It's great, and I like that it's shiny because it adds some different textures or feels to my room. Okay, so the last section in my room is this TV bookshelf-y area. So I have this Boss from, I think it's from Kohl's, and then I also have these little thingies from Kohl's. I got those as a gift from my mom. And then down here I just have my foliage. This foliage is named Zara, if you were wondering. This little Believe sign that I got at a local decorating store. This is a really cool, super old globe. I think it's from like the 70s or something. It was my dad's, and I think it's really cool, and the colors are so awesome. Candle, which is from Target, and this candle, which is from Target, and then I just have another chapstick. Above this section I have this dream catcher. I believe I got this from Claire's Boutique. And moving this way, I just have my Roku remote, my different TV remotes. Then I have my TV. Then down here I actually have a bunch of random stuff like books, more crystals, and then just some random bookmarks and stuff. Then I just have a bunch of equipment and phone cases and a bunch of technology stuff down here. I'm not gonna go through all that because they would take forever. This little section over here, I got this little coat key rack thing from Marshall's for only $8. I just have my sunglasses. These are the ones that I wear most of the time. I normally have a lanyard, but it just says the school that I go to, and so I took off the lanyard for this video. I just have my purse for when I feel all pursy instead of lanyardy. And we are back at the door. And that's my room. That is all for my room. I hope you guys found some inspiration or got some ideas out of this video. I love room tours, and I absolutely had a blast creating this video for you guys. If you guys have any more video suggestions, leave them down below because I love your feedback. I love responding and talking to you guys. And with that note, also follow me on my other social medias. I'm pretty active and I talk to you guys a lot more on there. They should be floating on the screen right now, and they're always down in the description as well. Also, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more videos like this one. And I think that's all I have to say in this video. Have a lovely, lovely rest of your day or night, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys! Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.